What you are about to see is real. Do not try to adjust your screen. The events that are happening before you actually happened. This is a skinning or the fleshing of a whitetail. This deer is getting prepared to go into the flesh-eating beetles. You're gonna see blood, flesh, eyeballs, and tongue. That's right. If you continue watching, have your children leave the room. It could get scary because you just entered the Skullworks zone. Brains are gone. Hey guys, thanks for watching my video. As you can see, everything's got to get trimmed out in order to go into the beetles. I want the beetles to be as efficient as possible. So once this is all said and done, it'll take roughly about 24 hours for the beetles to clean up the rest of the meat up. And they'll get into that nasal passages, into the brain cavity, and they'll clean it all up. After that, it goes into the degreasing tank and then into the whitening bath. So this video took roughly about 15 minutes beginning to end. I sped it up just for time's sake, which took roughly about, as you can see, about 5 minutes. All right, and one of my most favorite part is, of course, is blasting the brains. So don't forget, we got more videos coming along. Got a couple different video ideas. Hit the like button, click subscribe, please share. Give me a comment, tell me you said hi, and we'll see you on the next video. Take care.